Straight leg calf raises improves push-off power, running economy, and ankle stiffness for better speed and efficiency. Stand on the edge of the bench with the balls of the feet resting on it and your heels hanging off. Keep your legs straight. Slowly drop your heels below the step level until you feel the stretch in your calves or Achilles. Push through the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as possible. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds at the top. Now lower back down slowly to complete a rep. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. To progress, perform single leg raises for an extra challenge, or you can also add some weight.